Ooh, I didn't know that Dollar Tree sold these. Did you guys know Dollar Tree sold these? Okay, so this is definitely new to my eyes, like a good old surprise. These placemats, right? The Spidey and Friends. This is really, really cool for the kids. Absolutely love this for $1.25. Oh, child, I found it, okay? Just when I thought that it was in there, I found it, okay? Looky, cookie. Check it out, check it out. Okay, we meet again, friend. All right, so this is the Wildflower LA Colors, all right, honey groovy movie. Now, these up here is the shadow sticks. They have Fruity Lily, okay, Lily Fruity. They also have Pretty Rosy, Reborn, okay. Now I like Reborn. Reborn is you know, I like the name of it, okay, and I definitely like the color, okay. Reborn, you gotta be born again, okay. They also have the Easy Daisy, right, and these are honey. Where you gonna get eyeshadow sticks like this, okay, but Dollar Tree, all right? Now, I don't know if Dollar Tree done did a dupe from somebody else's line, okay, but this is the first time I'm seeing this. They also have the Spring Fling, okay, and they have the Earthy Energy. Ooh, the green is green in Linda. And then they also have the Auto Lip Liners over here. This is Peace Out Purple, Fox Lady, okay, right on. And then Fox Lady again, okay. And then they also have the lip crayon, San Fran, Boho, okay, Peace and Love. I told you guys that used to be my older YouTube channel that I had. It was Peace and Love, okay. Savage, okay. Groovy Pink. They should have had Groovy Movie. Do they have Groovy Movie here? They also have Wild Child over here. They also have the Lip Plumpers, Wildcat. We seen Wildcat Untamed. They have the Secret Garden. Oh, that look fun. And then they also have Untamed again, okay. Somebody put these in the wrong spot. They also have the lip glosses down at the bottom. This says this one is grape, this one is strawberry, and then this one is leche. I think that's how you pronounce it. I know probably I'm butchering it. And then they have coconut, $1.25. Yeah, I got the ramen. Honey, don't act like you done forgot where you done came from. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get. Linda, it feels so good to be up in here. Okay, today we are at Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. Okay, we gonna see if they gonna have us move our feet to the beat, okay, out in these streets. Already, I see some items. I see them, Linda. I see them, okay. Sometimes you gotta come in Dollar Tree with your eyes closed, okay, because you may try to purchase everything, okay. Don't let that be you. Please don't let that be you, okay? Let's get into this. Let's do it. All right, so soon as you come in, they have their gold Easter eggs, okay? You guys know I'm a gold girl. You know, I forgot my bracelet, my gold bracelet, child, my bamboo bracelet. My bamboo. Honey, it's not a bamboo. It's one of them thick bracelets. Okay, so you guys know I'm a gold girl. 4-piece eggs, $1.25. Honey, when it comes to the Easter eggs, okay, they really showing out. Look at these carrot eggs. 3 pieces for $1.25. They also have the chickadee chick chicks over here, $1.25. They also have the little duckies, Easter eggs, $1.25. What about the game controller shade? Okay, $1.25. When I say Dollar Tree is definitely out here showing out in these streets, okay, that's what I literally mean. They out here showing out in these streets, okay? They ain't playing. They ain't taking no hostages, okay? That's what Dollar Tree said. They also have the dinosaur-shaped eggs. You get 6 pieces for $1.25 as well. They also have the bunnies. Look at the bunny honeys, okay? 8 pieces for $1.25. They come in 2 different colors, the white and also the pink. They also have the chickadee chick chicks, 8 pieces $1.25. Honey, move your feet to the beat, okay? And then they also have the 10-inch bunny-shaped egg containers, $1.25. Really, really cool. Now, we had seen these yesterday. This is the egg tray, all right? And someone gave a bright idea. They was like, they gonna use this for painting. Okay, I said, oh, child, that is a great idea. Okay, so if you're an artist, okay, you may want to get one of these. All right, it could hold 12 colors over on this one, and then they also have the bunny shaped tray. Okay, $1.25. So, I don't know, it smells like a dead mouse or something in here. I don't know. But anywho, they also have these sunglasses over here. You guys know I had purchased a pair of these. These are $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Oh, honey, wait, hold on. Honey, I said $1.25. Scratch that. It's $1.50. Okay, not $1.25, $1.50, and I have these. Okay. Although I gotta go on my dresser and see if they still there. Cause you know my youngest daughter, she be putting stuff in her room, honey, and I gotta let her know. Amani, that don't belong to you, sister girl. Okay, so Dollar Tree have these stampers over here, 8 pieces, Easter theme. They also have the paddle boards over here, $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. They also have the novelty glasses over here. I absolutely love these. Okay, these are $1.25. Honey, you're gonna be showing out. They have the bubble stick. Oh, child. Okay, wait, hold on, child. Jump in the gun. 4 pieces, bubble sticks, $1.25. Child, have you seen these? These are super fancy, okay? These are fancy mancy glitter bunny glasses, $1.25. And they have the glitter, okay? Really, really cool. Absolutely love this. This is fancy. Fancy out of McFanciest, okay? Really, really cute. Look at them go. They also have the mini Easter egg basketball game. Really cute jump ropes with the bunny. Child, get into this. I cannot make this stuff up. With the bunnies. Child. Okay, look at them. Look at the carrots. Oh, child. Love it. They also have these straws over here. Really fancy. 6 pieces for $1.25. Curly straws. Really love it with the birdie bird, the bunny. Honey, they not acting funny. Oh, this is so cute. So they also have the tic-tac-toe. Look at this. This is so cool. Really cute. Games, $1.25, 11 pieces. They also have the headbands over here, which are $1.25. If you're looking for baskets, honey, they definitely have it. Okay, they have what your little fancy heart desire. Okay, they have it. They not playing with you. They not playing with you, folks. They're not playing with you. Happy Easter. Really, really cool egg hunt night. Okay, so if you're a person looking for a table cover for Easter, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. Okay, look at the bunny. He ain't acting funny. Okay, this is $1.25. They also have the eggs over here, which are $1.25 as well. Easter carrots. Okay, this is like decor, 8 pieces for $1.25. Summertime. Okay, strawberry baskets, complete grow kit. Dollar Tree said, listen, we bringing it all out this year. Okay, these kits are $5. They also have the sprinklers, $3, 8 pattern sprinkler. They also have the Black & Decker 3-arm revolver, $5. Okay, the bug zapper they have, and then they also have these LED solar lights over here, which are $3. Okay, so at this Dollar Tree, they have the onesies here. They actually sell the onesies at every Dollar Tree, but here they have all 3 colors. So they have the white, the pink, and also the blue. Listen, honey, if you are in Dollar Tree, or if you're a person that's looking for some new hair accessories like some claw clips, make sure you check out Dollar Tree. Okay, Because when it comes to the claw clips, when it comes to the ponytail holders, like this 18-piece ponytail holder for $1.25, that is like, that's delightful. That is really a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have these headbands over here, really, really cute. You guys know green is my thing, like a chicken wing. Okay, more claw clips, $1.25. Oh, I like the claw clips, the smiley faces emojis, really, really cute. Okay, and then they also have some hair accessories, some hair clips over here. You get 4 for $1.25, and then they also have the 2-piece, okay, economy pack claw clips for $1.25. Where you gonna get that from? Where, Linda? I'm gonna wait, okay? Yeah, okay. They also have these fancy, the McFanciest claw clips. Oh, child, the butterflies. When I tell you guys the butterflies is like following me, okay, you guys know my past life regression I did about my father and stuff like that. Whenever I see a butterfly, my father is in the area, okay? All right, they also have the ponytail holders, all in black, okay? 18 pieces for $1.25. Can somebody say woo woo? Okay, because this is literally a sale deal, like Holyfield. Okay, what in the world is this? Is this? Oh, okay. So they wave caps. They selling, Dollar Tree selling the wave caps. All right, and the hair bonnets too, $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the LA Colors Juicy Cakes lip collection. When I seen these, okay, there's a few Dollar Trees that I went back to, honey, they were gone. Okay, so when I tell you that the people been buying this up like water, okay, especially the duo set, okay, the duo with the pencil, the lip liner, okay, and the lip gloss, honey, they've been buying that up like nobody's business, okay, but they have the Smart Cookie over here. This is $1.25. They also have the Sweet Confection, okay, $1.25. Honey cakes, $1.25. And then you guys know this tint right here, it looks clear, right? But this is going to tint your lips pink. All right, so they showing you like the before and the after, $1.25. All right, so Dollar Tree also have the Daily Performance Feminine Wash Fresh Boost Scent, remove sweat and odor. This is $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree, they have these loafers. How you say this? Loofahs? Okay, you know what I mean. The sponges, okay, you get 2 for $1.25. Honey, I remember these used to be straight up $1.25, okay, but now Dollar Tree say, you know what? We're gonna give you the steal deals for real, okay? And there's words to the mother and the brother, all right? Steal deal. And then whatever type of mask you're looking for, whatever type your little heart desire, okay, Dollar Tree has it, all right? They have the warming face mask, helps hydrate and calm skin with cucumber and watermelon, okay? They also have the refreshing honey cleanser, relaxing lavender mask. They also have the hydrogel eye and lip mask. Honey, real veggie farm. I remember when I first came up here, that was mainly what they had, real veggie farm, okay, like the tomatoes. They had tomatoes, honey, like the broccoli. Which other one they had? They had so many. I was so impressed, okay, honey. That's why it pays to go to different Dollar Trees, okay, to get out of your comfort zone. Just to get out of your comfort zone in general, it pays, okay? You don't want to be looking at the same exact thing. You want to be around different people, all right? Now, they also have these travel jars, 3 pieces for $1.25. So they have the all white tops, and then they also have these right here, the colorful tops, $1.25. Now, remember Dollar Tree has the urinary tract infections, 3 strips for $1.25, just in case you ain't know, Linda, okay? Just in case. I'm just telling you what they have, all right? Now, Dollar Tree also have the ready-to-use Aroma Guru droppers. We have seen these, okay? This is great for massages, moisturizer, and is aromatherapy. They also have the lavender in the bag. Why would somebody do that? Okay, the lavender in the bag, ready-to-use droppers, same as that concept, okay? Great for massages, moisturizer, aromatherapy, $1.25. And you know what? If you're a person that's been looking for the mini fans, okay, honey, right now I feel like all the Dollar Trees, they have them back in stock again, okay? So they come in the pink, and then they also have the blue for $1.25. And these are batteries. You need batteries for these, just FYI. Okay, so I showed you guys this lipstick about a week ago. All right, so this is 8-hour color. It says, it looks good. Okay, I never tried this though, so I don't know if it's stale or not. Okay, but it looks good. This is $1.25. Now Dollar Tree also was selling the hydrating lip gloss by Beauty Intuition. When I tell you these things went quicker than water, okay, or quicker than quicksand. All right, went so fast. These are $1.25 if you can find them, okay? Now Dollar Tree had this LA Colors. I want to say, like, this puts me in a mind, and I was thinking it is sitcom that Ashton Kutcher was part of. It was called 70s, their 70s show. That show was so funny, okay? But this lip pumper, now they had a whole end cap with these, okay? Well, like a little box, right? And it has so many different ones. The lip plumpers, the regular lip gloss, oh my goodness. And those things, they must be sold out so quick because they not there anymore. Well, I haven't seen them. Let me go back around and see if they did. Like this, the lip plumpers. See, I only see the lip plumpers. Okay, come on. And this one is a lip plumper as well. Okay, this one is Wildcat, this one is Flower Power, and this one is Wildflower. All right, look at this, Risen Studio. Oh, child, this don't belong over here. Okay, so if you a person, you love your lashes, all right, and you know what? Teach his own. Some of these lashes not for nothing. It looks like, somebody is about to flop. But that's just my opinion. Okay? Alright? Now these are some long lashes, to say the least. Look like somebody is really about to take off. Now, these lashes, these are probably, I want to say, I will wear these, but even these are kind of long in my opinion. Black lace, okay? Probably black lace is the only ones. But, FYI, teach his own. If this is what you like, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Okay, $1.25. All right, so we at the frozen section. Okay, and I was looking for these chicken tenders that my children like. Oh, they only got one pack here. And that pack don't look too good, Linda. All right, so I'm gonna just go and get them these chicken breast sandwiches. That's $5. Okay, I could get them 2 packs of those. I'm going to another Dollar Tree, so I could get that from another Dollar Tree. These right here. I never tried these before. All right, so it's two in here. Two for $5. Okay, all right, ain't nothing but a chicken wing. All right, let's go to checkout. All right, family, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Honey, you see I got the ramen. Honey, don't act like you done forgot where you done came from. Okay, all right. Now we doing better, but don't act like it now, Linda. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.